In today's video, my guys, we are gonna take a look at older PC. It is very older. It has even AGP and it looks like this in old Atsutake case. Okay, so let's power it on. Because power supply is switched off. And we have a red liquid on, so we need a beeper. I have a beeper in here. So what about we plug in a beeper? Yes. We have the beeper plugged in. Let's turn it on again. Oh shit. No beeps. Maybe the GPU is bad. Let's turn around the beeper and turn it on again. And we have nothing again. Great. We need to diagnose. So I grab a secondary GPU. So we have GNOME working GPU. So let's see what we got. I plug in the VGA. Let's turn it on. This is strange, really strange, yes. Let's try different PSU because this one is really sketchy. Okay, so this is 100% known working PSU, so let's try it out. And no input signal. And I'm very lazy to solve that, so I'm gonna rebuild this PC into something new. Okay. Okay, so no, I'm not too lazy, I just don't have enough resources. Like new RAM or CPU or something like that. So let's take it apart together and let's see what we got, okay? So here is a 350 watt PSU. So I'm gonna pull it out of there. This is gonna run through a cleaning and then I will test it with the tester to see if it is working. It will be good to have a PSU. Okay, here is some front ports. Yes, here too. It is dirty as hell, so I will need to clean it out. Let's hide my working GPU. Okay. Now. Let's unplug this. What is that? USB, yes. Unplug that. Let's pull out the CPSU. So I'm gonna put my phone here and pull out the PSU. Oh shit. Okay. Monitor going to sleep. What did I do? Shit. Ah shit. Again. I can't open it. Okay, well. Okay. Okay, so we'll set it aside. My speaker too. So I will leave, no I will not, I will pull out the hard drive too. I will go through testing later. So I know how many hard drives I am in plus. It will be good, at least 3, because I am running out of hard drives and I'm too lazy to spend money on hard drives, so throw that away. Let's turn around the case and let's pull out another screw from the back. Here is our bag. Let's finally unscrew the hard drive. I will unscrew the USB thing too, because I will need to put this case into shower because it is really dirty. Okay. Just like that. Okay, I need to unscrew the front. No, I will do that later, that's not important. I let's unscrew the motherboard and let's take a look at that, how it looks like and everything. Yes, so I'm guessing it has maybe only bad RAM or something. I hope it is not the CPU, because CPU is worth the most, I think, because they are hard to find, some CPUs from this era. This is like the GTA San Andreas era, so like 2005, maybe early, more early. So let's take a look at what motherboard this is. Oh, nice. So let me pull it out and let's see. Oh, one more screw? Okay. What you say? And yes, when I looked at this motherboard, it has 0 SATA, so maybe this is not even 2005, maybe it's early 2000s, like 2002 or something like that. Yes. So let me grab my phone. So we have 3 fan stuff here, fan pins, 2 actually, and third is the CPU. Here is our chipset, here is 8 GP and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PCIe. So let's slowly undo the cooler, the stack cooler, and let's see what is hidden under the stack cooler. Okay, I don't know maybe how to pull it off. Maybe it's fried on it, I don't really know. Okay, so this is ultra rare. We have old PGH 478. We have Almos 476, which is fucking rare. I need this motherboard to fucking work, man. Or at least the CPU, man, because oh shit. Imagine it working and only being a fucking RAM or something like that. Holy damn. That's a motherboard. Okay, so CPU is stuck. I'm scared to unstuck it in the other way, so I think maybe heating it up or something with a fan. So I will do that later and show you what CPU that is. Now I hide the motherboard, take the case in the shower and see you later. So goodbye. So I'm back. I gently pried it off. It is some old Intel Celeron, so running at 1.7 gigahertz. So I think this is good. So this is everything for today's video, and see you later. See you in the next one. Goodbye.